If you have learned the juggling cascade and you're looking for learning your first few tricks, then you're looking at the right video, because I will give a detailed explanation of 3 beginner tricks, which are the half shower, the columns, and the underarm.
Hop, hop, which, lean back.
Hello!
My name is Daniel. Welcome to Circus-expert.
For these 3 tricks, it's helpful if you can already do a cascade for, let's say, at least about 20 catches. If that's still new to you, I recommend looking at my video about juggling for beginners, which is somewhere on this channel, or you find it next to here or next to there. I've seen so many YouTubers point in the wrong direction, I don't know where it is anymore. Anyway, we're going to talk about the half shower, which is this trick. Normally, if you juggle, every ball goes underneath each other. I have a ball in the air and I throw from under, but I can also choose to throw over. Then the hand's not going from outside to inside, but rather from inside to outside. If I do that with one hand continuously, I get half shower, but let's start with doing a single throw only. I follow the orange ball, and when the orange ball ends up in my right hand, I'm going to throw it over the pattern on the outside. To make it easier for myself, I can also throw it a little bit higher than the rest. But you don't need to throw it higher. If you want to keep it short, you can actually do the whole trick low. If you do this twice in a row, then you get a little bit of half shower, or I do it 3 times in a row, 2, 3, and build this up. It might become a little bit of galloping if you have it lie higher than the other one. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, rather than the stable rhythm of the cascade. But that's not so bad. It doesn't matter if the rhythm is not perfect. Or you can make it more bouncy, slow. Anything with this is possible. Of course, if you learn the half shower on one side, then you need to learn the half shower on the other side, because it allows you to do other tricks in the future if you can do it on both sides. And for a real challenge, if you do outside throws on both sides, you get a reverse cascade, but that's a trick for another video. For now, we move on to columns. That is this trick. For columns, you need to juggle 2 balls in one hand, and this is not as hard as it looks, especially not when you juggle them side by side. So the green ball always stays on the inside, and the blue one stays on the outside. And to make this trick look nice, I make sure that the green one is really in front of the center of my face, so it's in the center of my nose. And the blue one is, well, somewhere on the side of that. And with the orange ball, I try to follow the rhythm of the blue ball, so I can throw 1, 2, catch. 1, 2, catch. I can also do the other way around, start with 2 balls. 2 balls, 1 ball, catch. 2 balls, 1 ball, catch. If this works, I add a third throw, 1, 2, 1. Or 2, 1, 2, catch. And if that works, you keep building up, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you keep on going for as long as you like. Right now, I keep the blue one always in my right hand, but actually my left hand is doing nothing for some time, so I can choose to also catch with my left hand. It's swapped. And I can alternate it every throw, if I like. Left and right and left and right and left. And like this, you can make it more challenging. Also, you can change the shape of the pattern. Right now, the orange ball follows the green ball, but I can also follow the blue ball. And it's a similar kind of trick, but it looks a bit different. And then I can transfer the green one to the other side. And have the green one jump to the middle, and have the green one jump out where it came from. With this kind of thing, you can make some variations of the column pattern. And then the final trick for today is going to be underarm. You may have seen videos about Mills mesh. This is a pattern where your hands are crossed, but this is a very difficult trick that takes a lot of time to learn. The underarm looks a bit similar, but it's much easier because there's no cross and catches being made, only a throw from a cross position. So what I do as I juggle, I make sure that I transfer my right hand to go underneath my left and to throw from the side. I'm going to throw towards my left, so I only need to throw straight up and it's already at the right spot. Or if I throw from my left hand, I go under my right, I throw straight up and it's at the right spot. To make some space, I can also move my left hand a tiny bit in, so I don't need to go so far. So rather than throw all the way from here, I don't need to throw from there. I can practice outside of juggling, so go cross arm, cross arm, cross arm, cross arm, or I can do this while I juggle. Take my right hand, I'm going to follow the orange ball and take it underneath and keep on juggling. Same on my left side, I follow the orange ball again, left hand goes under and I catch. I can do this twice in a row, 1, 2, or I can do continuous on every third beat. I can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and every time on the 1, it's under my arm. But if you want to do continuous, it actually is possible to do every single throw under the arm. but then I definitely help a lot by making space, by pushing the hand that is not throwing inside, so there's a lot of space to go out. So once again, under every throw, and it might be helpful to also throw a little bit higher so it becomes slower. That is the half shower, the columns, and the under the arm. I hope you learned something new. If you did, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.